Our hearts go out to those affected by COVID-19. Our state government has deemed GNC Tire and Auto Service an essential business. We have a responsibility to remain open to ensure our community has a safe form of transportation. We do not take this responsibility lightly. In an effort to protect our customers and employees, GNC has implemented some preemptive changes to our business operations. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we will remain open. We are closely monitoring the situation by actively following CDC and World Health Organization guidelines for essential services. Social distancing and proper hygiene are strictly enforced. Thanks to our Key ATM vehicle drop box, newly constructed outdoor waiting areas, and our new complimentary valet service, you can keep your vehicle and your body safe during these difficult times. To learn how GNC is protecting its customers during the COVID-19 pandemic, go to www.trusttherepair.com/COVID-19.